Hello, it's Gareth again from TCV Hollybush in Leeds. Today we're going to sprout some broad beans and we're going to see about planting them into the ground in a couple of weeks' time. So if you get yourself a plastic container, make sure it's clean so that no mould can grow onto your beans when you're sprouting them. Got some dry broad beans there. Obviously can't say it properly. You can use beans out of a packet for soup mixes and such like, but they tend to have growth inhibitors on them and fungicides. So if at all possible, use beans from the garden centre because they are actually designed for vegetable planting. So literally get yourself a handful of magic beans, put them in your container, and then get your little milk bottle watering can from one of the previous videos. Give them a good soak. Pop on the lid. And then the following day, empty out the water once they've absorbed some of the water, and then leave them on a south facing windowsill or a windowsill which gets plenty of light, plenty of warmth, and in a few days you should see sprouts appear. And then we'll see how that turns out and then go about planting them into the egg carton modules which we did in another video. So thanks for watching and see you again soon. Cheers!